Hi guys, it's Habib here. In this video, we are going to discuss something very important about the DV Visa Lottery program that you must know before even trying to enter. Yes, because I have one sister last year she won and she came up to me on TikTok. That's after watching one of my videos about the photo, how to get the right photo to be uploaded onto the DV Lottery program website or whatever. So when she came to me on TikTok, she asked me questions and she was asking about the residential permit because it was part of the processes after you've been selected. Now this sister have this special advice for me because I asked her. Now it's gonna also help you guys a lot through your journey. But before that, let's go to the website and see something. Make sure you grab a pen and a paper. So when in the search bar, I'm using Google Chrome. Just hit on dvlottery.state.gov or us dvprogram.state.gov, whatever it is gonna pop up. Now after hitting that, select the first one which state which says US Department of State into bracket .gov. So let's hit it up. Now I've hidden it up. I want to show you something important here. What we are going to jot into our book and what we are going to use it for. Now, if this is your first time on the channel, kindly like, subscribe and hit the notification bell icon so that whenever I do videos like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. But if you've been here with us, Aquaba, as usual, it's your boy Habib Educate. As I said in this video, I'm going to share with you something important which is going to help you through your journey while uploading, while applying for the DV Lottery 2026. Very important. Now let's start the magic. So after hitting it up, it's gonna bring you into a surface like this, but this video is about the photo. I already did a video on how to get those specific dimensions and whatever that the website is asking about your photos, which will be uploaded onto their website. Now listen to this, what you are going to jot down into your books and later what you are going to use it for. Now let's head on to the photo example. Important, make sure you grab a pen and a paper. So let me zoom it out. Listen, they said your photo or digital image is a vital part of your visa application. Vital part, so it plays a bigger role through that process. Now let's select digital image requirement. Listen, vital is very important. Now here is what you're going to jot down. They said the digital image must adhere to the following specifications. The image dimensions must be in a square aspect ratio. So let's assume if here is 2, the weight, the length also must be 2. Square aspect ratio. Make sure you jot that down if you are someone that easily forget things. They said the height must be equal to the weight. Box. Square. Listen, minimum acceptable dimensions are 600 by 600 pixels and the maximum acceptable dimensions are 120 by 120 or 1200 by 1200 pixels. Jot it down. Jot it down because later I'll tell you what to use it for. Okay, now they said please review photo requirement for specific dimensions. Forget that one. The image must be in color. Well, nowadays our mobile phones and even cameras are already in color, but it must be in color. 24 bits per pixel in sRGB whatever color space, which is the common output for most digital cameras. That's nowadays. So in that particular video, this is the thumbnail. If you go there, you will see whatever the website is asking, and that application has it all. So I did a video on how to use that application perfectly because I saw a lot of people doing tutorials about that particular applications, but there was some mistakes. So I took my time, studied the applications, went through it, and brought out the best tutorial out there. So listen, the image must be in JPEG file format. Jot it down. JPEG file format. Now, the image must be less than or equal to 240 kilobytes. Jot it down. Assuming you are someone who forgets easily. Now, the maximum file size. No, the image may need to be compressed in order for it to be under the maximum file size. The compression ratio should be less than or equal to 20.1. You want to scan an existing photo. In addition to the digital image requirements, your existing photo must be 2 by 2 inches into bracket 51 by 51 millimeters, and it says scan at a resolution scanned at a resolution of 300 pixel per inch into bracket 12 pixel per millimeter. Now, if you already have an existing photo, or you went and do whatever and got your photo, you want to test it out and see whether it has passed all the requirements before uploading onto the website. DV Lottery website has another way for you to check it out. So if you check at the right hand side of where we are now, you can see already have a photo, question mark. Check below, use our photo tool to crop your photo so it's the right size. To crop your photo so it's maybe meet the right size or whatever. So if you hit on that photo tool there, it will bring you into that interface or whatever it is. Then you will get to upload your video, your photo there. Then it will help you to crop that photo. So if it is 1200 by 1200 pixels, it will get that for you. If it is 600 by 600 pixels, it will do that for you. I already have an application that I showed you can use to do that, and it is for free. But now I'm done with this. That's what I wanted to show you. But this is the reason why I said you should take a pen and a paper. That sister who came to me on TikTok after watching my video about that application, she said she won it. She won the Visa Lottery. But that's the end of the story about her. So through that process, I asked her, so I have been applying for 3 years and I've not won yet, but I will never stop and never stop also. A lot of people have tried for like 9th time, if the 10th time they won, or 10th time, the 11th time they won. So still you can win. What she told me was about the photo. She won't recommend me to use my mobile phone or maybe a camera and do it myself. So what I have to do is, around us we have a lot of people, these professionals who have been in these jobs for years. Okay, so sometimes when we are going to do something like this, we go to them to take a passport picture, we go to them to get some photos and whatever it is. So what I'm going to tell you is, after jotting all the things I told you to jot down, how much does it cost? Not that much. Just go to them, present all those dimensions, but make sure you go to a professional one, because we have some who get workers that are not that educated and they might not be able to understand what that says. So make sure.
All right, guys, I'm really sorry. So at this point of time, my microphone turned off, you understand? So I just have to do a voiceover. So the thing is, you have to take your photo or all those things that I told you to jot down to a professional photographer, someone who have spent years in taking passport pictures, photocopying and all those things. So when you take the dimension to those people, they'll help you to take the photo with a very white and nice background, as it is suggested by the US website. Aside that, they'll help you in meeting all those requirements, the photo requirement, the 600 by 600 pixel, or the 1200 by 1200. So aside that too, they will also help you to you know yeah, so they will help you do everything. Okay, so when they are done, just give them your WhatsApp number and make sure they transfer that photos as a soft copy for you, and now the ball lies in your court. Just go to the website, make sure you apply, and make sure you post that photo. But you can try and check it out with the what's the website too, and see whether it meets the requirement again, just for verification. And with that, you are good to go, guys. I wish you guys all the best. As last year one of my friend won, this year I wish that you will also be part of those who will be winning. Just follow what I said, the rest is just to apply. Okay, just put it in your informations. So what is important is the photo side. Okay, make sure you do what I told you, and the rest will be history. Come on, your informations, you know them yourself, but the photo requirement is the problem. Make sure you apply what I told you, and with that, you will be good to go. I wish you all the best through this journey. It's still your boy Habib Educate. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell icon so that whenever I do videos like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. It's your boy Habib Educate, and I'll see you in the next video.